Dear students, today we are going to read notice writing. First we understand what is a notice. A notice is written or printed information that can be in the form of an official statement of public importance or a warning in advance, or it can also be used for giving information to a segment of people or people at large. The basic purpose is to disseminate information related to various issues or occasions. It is written in simple and formal language and is always brief and to the point. Notices are given generally in newspapers or magazines or displayed publicly on the notice board of an organization. A notice can also be given in the columns of a newspaper as an advertisement. What is a notice? Notices are a means of formal communication targeted at a particular person or a group of persons. It is a written or printed news, announcement, or information. A notice may contain news, information about something that has happened or is likely to happen. It may be a formal announcement of public importance or an advance warning meant for compliance and information. A notice can be about a meeting, an event, an excursion, historical trip, a picnic, lost and found, change of name, address, uniform, timing, venue, etc. Purpose. Notices are effective means of disseminating information related to different issues or occasions. They reach to a large number of persons in a short time. Hence, a notice is written in simple and formal language. It is clear, brief, and to the point. Format. A notice should be written in the following format: the name of the organization, who is issuing the notice, the title notice, a heading to introduce the subject of the notice, the date, the body of the notice, the writer's signature, name in block letters, and designation. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a particular group of people. Notices are generally meant to be put upon specific display boards, whether in schools or in public places. Here, school, college notice boards, newspapers, magazines, public notice board. Content. The main characters of the content. What? What is the notice about? The notice should be clear about what is going to happen, event, or what has already happened, occasion. This is the crux of the message and should be written clearly. There should not be any ambiguity. Second is where. If the notice is about an event, then the location of such an event must be written clearly. The venue or the location are important details, so make sure to include this in the notice. When. This is the time and the date of the event or meeting. If possible, the duration of the event should also be mentioned so people can schedule their time accordingly. Who. This will be who the notice is addressed to. Who all are supposed to adhere to the notice should be clearly mentioned to avoid confusion. Whom, and final details should be whom to contact or get in touch with. This mentions who the appropriate authority is to contact. Remember, be precise and to the point. The ideal length of notice is 50 words. It must contain complete information. Second, the order of presentation should be clear, language usage should be formal. State the purpose of notice clearly. Use passive voice as far as possible. Use impersonal language, that is third person. Give the designation of the writer just below the signature. The date of writing notice is generally put at the top. Present your notices in a proper format in a box. The presentation should be neat and thus be appealing to the eye. The main value points of the notice: what is going to happen, where will it take place, when will it take place, who can apply or is eligible to attend, whom to contact or apply to. Include only the important points. Add only relevant information if not included in the question. Short and grammatically correct sentences. Present the notice within a box. Word limit is 40-50 words. Information must be presented clearly. It must attract readers' attention at once. Increase the visual appeal of your notice. Standard abbreviations are allowed. Here it is an example. You are Sports Secretary of Lalwani Public School, Udaipur. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board, asking the students to give their names for participation in various events to be held on the annual sports day of your school. Invent the details of the events. Sign as Lalit, Lalita. Here the format: Lalwani Public School, issuing authority. Here notice is written in capital, then date 6th November. Body of the notice with details, purpose, event, occasion, date, time, venue, agenda. After reading the question, you write in the way: our school is celebrating its annual sports day on 30th November 2000. Students are hereby informed to give their names for participation in various events to be held on the sports day. The list of events is given below: 100 meters race, high jump, 200 meters relay, shot put, gymnastics, kho-kho. Please give your names to the undersigned latest by the 10th of November during the zero period in the sports room. Name and designation of person issuing the notice: Lalit, Sports Secretary. Thank you for watching the video presentation regarding the notice.